Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how I use free money to buy meme coins. Yes, you hear it right, I use free money that I have earned from several DeFi projects that I have invested in. Now you may say there's no such thing as free money, but let me tell you this. If I had not invested in these DeFi projects, I would not have had that money, so in a way it's free. It's not life-changing money, and I consider it play money or risk-free capital if you like. But it's enough money to make a few meme coin trades every day. And if a coin goes 2x or 5x, I don't complain and I take the money and run. Let me show you where I get my money printers. The first DeFi protocol is Paka Finance. I have invested around $5,000 in 15 stakes and I make around $18 per day. You can see all my stakes here and the value in dollars, the daily percentage and also when the stakes will unlock. This website generates profits through liquidity farming on several DeFi platforms like PancakeSwap. And that's why the contract is sustainable. They don't take money from other investors to pay you out, like in a Ponzi or pyramid scheme. And when the staking is done, you get all your money back. It's simple to use, just connect your MetaMask or Rabbi wallet, stake your USDT in the smart contract for 250 days and every day you will earn interest on your staked USDT. The normal daily percentage is 0.3, but the owners are currently doing a Thanksgiving promotion and you get 0.4% if you get in today. If you watch this video after Sunday, the discount may be taken down, so don't blame me if it's no longer there. You can claim your rewards once your rewards have reached a threshold of $25 and compound once a threshold reaches 20 USDT. I take out my $36 in rewards from the contract every other day and swap it for Solana. The Solana goes from my MetaMask wallet to my trading bot or my DEX exchange like Bullex or Photon, where I trade Solana for meme coins. To get your rewards, just click the claim button and the USDT is sent right to your wallet. If you choose to compound your rewards, the money goes into a new stake and you earn more USDT every day. Once your stake has unlocked, you will see a remove button appear in the status column of your stake metrics. Click the remove button to compound your funds into a new stake or claim the available funds to your MetaMask wallet. I have been in Paka Finance for a few months now and never had any problems taking out my money. And when my stakes unlock, I will be able to withdraw all my funds, so it's not like other DeFi projects where you cannot take out your initial investment. If you invest $100 or $1,000 today, you will double your initial investment after 250 days. In the calculator you can see how much ROI you will make. If you want to get in Paka Finance, just connect your wallet to the website, deposit USDT to create a new stake, and you're done. I got into this project because I know the people behind the team. Two people are Scott the investor and Lee Cryptopian. They have a track record of building successful projects, so I trust them completely. Scott has invested $60,000 in the liquidity pools, and he also recommended his father to also invest $100,000 into Paka Finance, so that speaks for itself. Paka Finance has millions of dollars in assets and you can put in as much money as you like, which makes it a very attractive choice for people like you and me who want to earn passive income with crypto. You can also emergency withdraw all your funds, but you will pay a 33% tax if you take out all your money before the stake ends. If you are interested and want to invest some money in Paka Finance, you can check the white paper on the learning page. If you go in Paka Finance and want to thank me for sending you this tip, please use my link in the description below and enter my wallet address in the referral field. It will help to make this amazing protocol bigger and bring us even more money. The other money printer where I earn daily rewards is MintStake Share. The concept is simple. You buy mint stake share tokens with BNB and then stake your tokens in a pool where you earn 2% per day if you compound and 1% if you claim your rewards. This protocol has been online for a while and the team is planning to add some major stuff soon, like lending and adding more blockchains to the contract. If you want to invest in mint stake share, connect your MetaMask or Rabi wallet to the website, but do not use the mint page to buy your MSS tokens. It's better to use the swap function instead of the minting, because you will get 4 times more MSS tokens if you do it here. Unlike with Paka Finance, tokens deposited in this smart contract cannot be withdrawn. The rewards can be compounded or collected anytime you like, but the initial deposit cannot be removed. I got in this protocol right from the start and I now have 100,000 MSS tokens staked, earning 2% per day, which comes down to around $35, depending on the price of the MSS token. If I claim my daily rewards, the total is taken out of my total stake, but after compounding for 2 days I have my total amount back. The maximum reward accumulation time is 7 days. If you have not compounded or claimed your rewards for 7 days, the rewards will stop accumulating until you take action. If you want to join Paka Finance or mint stake share, you will find the links in the description below. I also made some videos about mint stake share in the past, so if you want to find out more details about it before you invest, go watch these videos on my channel first. Thanks for being here again and for clicking on my links. Just remember that all this is not financial advice, it's just me sharing my personal journey into the world of crypto. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or have a chat with me in my Telegram group. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and if you hit the notification bell you will get my latest videos first. Have a great day and stay safe.